In our daily life in computer, we do three things most. Is Control C, Control V, Control Shift Delete. By Control Shift Delete, we make some files deleted permanently. And in daily, we make a lot of files delete permanently, and from this file there have some important files too which are important, but we just delete it permanently. Now you can ask me a question, is that can I regain my permanently deleted file again or not? According to me, it's yes, but in some cases it's just quite impossible. According to me, whenever you just delete a file, that time the file still stay in the hard disk of your computer, but it just only delete the address of this file from the hard disk. And now if you just turn off your computer or stop the computer or restarting the computer, or you just take another file instead of this file in the same folder where you just delete the data permanently, that time it's quite impossible to just recover the data. Now how you can do this, I will show you guys in this tutorial. I'm Sajidz and you're watching Sajidz Tech. Guys, if you are not already a subscriber of my channel, then I request you to hit the subscribe button, and if you do so thanks a lot. Start it. So first of all, here you need to download a software called Recuva from the online, and click here to download this, the latest version. I will give you the link in the description. And now after just downloading it, I need to just install this software there. And here it is. This is the software, is Recuva there, and we need to just install it from there. And from here, yes, install CC Cleaner and make my computer faster. And if you don't want to install CC Cleaner, then just click here, no thanks, I don't need it CC Cleaner. Then just click on the install, and it will be downloading and installing the updated from there, and it will take a bit time or more. Then just click on the run recuva to run your recuva there, and it's already installing there. And here it is. This is the file is there, and you need to just install it there, and you can just do your work from there. Now I will guys show you how it works. Suppose that here in this PC local disk E, here this is a song which I delete here permanently, and control by shift, and it's deleted permanently from there, and the recycle lane also blank. Now I need to just recover this file which I deleted from there. So what I have to do is that here I need to just click on the recuva and open the recuva from there, and click on the next, and now give the file type. Is it a picture, music, document, video, compressed, or email? As it is an music, so I just click on the music, and do not know the format of this file, then just click on the all. As I know, so I just click on the music. So then just click on the next, and the file location where the file is. As I know that the destination of the file is in the local disk E, so I just select the local disk E there. Or guys, if you just do not know the full destination from there, then you needn't to do this here and just click on the I'm not sure. Or if you guys know the full location of it, it's under the local disk E, and in the local disk E it's in the movie, then just select it there. And now just click on the next, and then there have an option is enable deep scan. If you just click here, it will make a deep scan of your computer, which will take a bit time more, but it's more safe. But if you don't want, then you needn't to just click here, and it will work without clicking. Then just click on the start, and it will be compressing here, and there are a lot of files which I deleted permanently, and here this is the file which I need here, and then just click here, and then just click here. After just clicking here or selecting this, then just click on the recover, and now select a location, in which location you want to take this there. And so here I just click here, and another location is local disk D or either the local disk G where it is, and here I want to make it recover. Then just click on the OK, and it just click recover here. Now click on the OK, and now go to here and check it that it's okay or not. In the local disk A, it just recover my song from there here. So by that you can recover your deleted file there permanently which you deleted. I do not give you the surety of doing it because it may be deleted permanently forever if you do something wrong with this. So that's it from me, guys. Hope that you will get a lot of help from this video. And guys, if you just enjoy this video, then I request you to give a thumbs up under this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you, goodbye, see you soon, have a nice day.